Hello everyone, welcome to the .NET Office. In this video, we will discuss one of the pattern called Arrange Act Assert, or we can say AA pattern. So when we write any unit test case in any language, so basically that unit test case depend on AAA pattern, and what it indicate, it's like Arrange Act Assert. So let's understand what is the meaning of Arrange Act and Assert. So the meaning of the arrange is basically like for an example, for writing the unit test case, if you are looking to create any object, like for an example, like for a one, like if we take an example of the Angular, if we are going to create any object of the component, so that initialization generally we do like we call it as a arrange. Now if we are going to call any method of that component, or we are going to call any function of that component, so that action we are going to take, so that is called the act. And at last assert, like for an example, when like so far we are writing the unit test case, so at last what we do the assert, means we expect something, like we give an input and we expect something like it is matching or not matching. Based on that we identify like our test case is failing or passing. So that portion of the code called the assert. So that's why this arrange act assert is a great way to structure test cases in the like in any language when we write the test cases. So let's understand this arrange act and assert in Angular unit test case. So let's go to the Visual Studio. So like now, as per my code, what I want to show this message, and based on that I want to check like my test case is passing or not. So like first, if we will take, so first is called the arrange. It means here I am going to create the object and object of a component. So that this particular line of code called the arrange, like we are initializing the component. Now next is we have to take the action, so that is called the act. And here what we are going to do, we are going to call dot show message. So at point of this time, like now it, let's see, it return the string. So I'm going to pass from here, what I'm going to pass, I'm going to pass hello, and this I'm taking in one variable. So now let's take it as a let. So here now what I'm doing, I'm taking the output inside the message. So this portion called the act. Now what I'm doing, I'm doing the assert. So here what I am going to do is like expect this message to be and hello. So let's save it. At point of this time we have written okay. So we didn't write anything inside a test case. So first what I will do, let's make the test case first. So test 1, and let's take it as the method. And let's put it inside this one. So actually we didn't write like this test case, it defined for the like Angular unit test case, so that's why. So now inside this test case we have written like first is the initialization, so that is called the arrange. Next we have taken the action, so that is called the act, and next we are expecting some input and we are checking with that, so that is called the assert. So these portion of the called the AAA pattern, and we can see one test case is passing, and if we will see on the browser we can see test 1. So that is the act, arrange, act and assert pattern. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.